Hello and welcome to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel, and today we're going to make a cauliflower and corn chowder. You'll need a leek, thinly sliced, and a cauliflower, prepared like this. 2 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. 2 small cans of sweet corn, drained. A 400ml can of coconut milk. A stock cube, vegetable or chicken. Some lemon juice. Some salt and pepper, and olive oil. In a heavy based pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil and your leeks. Cook them slowly until soft, and then add your garlic slices. When the leek and garlic is softened a little, break up your stock cube into the pan and add your cauliflower, followed by your sweet corn. Add in your can of coconut milk and stir to mix. Also some black pepper and a small amount of ground salt. Fill the empty coconut can with water and add that too. Bring your soup to a boil, place on the lid and simmer for about 20 minutes until you can see it like here and the cauliflower is soft. Then you add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and we blend the mixture in a blender or with one of these blending sticks, as you can see me doing here, until the soup is nice and smooth. I garnished mine with some chopped up basil and chopped pine nuts, with a slice of lemon on the side and a seeded roll. I hope you've enjoyed watching this recipe, and please join me again, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.